this is a true story. In 1952, workers discovered a sealed railway tunnel deep in the Appalachians, with no record of its construction. Locals reported hearing trains rush through the hills at night, though the tracks ended miles before the tunnel. Government officials dismissed the reports, but old miners swore they saw headlights glowing inside and heard passengers screaming. Explorers who entered never returned. Only their equipment was found: melted lanterns, broken compasses, and watches frozen at exactly midnight. Declassified maps later revealed the tunnel wasn't on any registry, but its location was circled in red ink, marked only with one word: crossing. Locals say if you stand near the entrance on certain nights, you'll hear the horn of a train that no longer exists. And if you step inside when it passes, you don't come back.